Big thanks to Mudgee Meat for supplying the product used in today's video. Get yours at mudgeemeat.com.au. Back in episode 54, we crowned L'Entrecôte sauce the best steak sauce ever. But today, we're putting that title on the line with a Mudgee Meat Wagyu rump and a sauce that just might dethrone the champ. Let's find out. My wine appears to be the wrong colour, Yazzo. Hashtag dry July.
Your liver is thanking you every second.
Yeah, probably. What's going on with your hair?
Well, I'm behind the camera, mate, so you just stick to looking beautiful. Having said that, it's a bit Santa Claus is coming to town with your beard, but anyway. Well, you put it out there, my friend.
Today, we are cooking with this magnificent rump steak from Mudgee Meat. Thank you, team. Wagyu rump. Beautiful stuff. And we are going to pair it with a gloriously decadent blue cheese sauce. Blue cheese
Was in
sauce.
calorie deficit all week.
I can tell you I've made this 1,000 times and it is so bloody delicious. In actual fact, competition for episode 54, where we did what I have called the greatest steak sauce in the world, which I'll leave you guys to decide. I'll put a card up here somewhere for you to click across to that and the link in the description. And you can tell me, but Wagyu rump from Mudgee Meat on special this week at Mudgee Meat. Watch till the end for your exclusive discount code. Link will be in the description for the meat. All the information about the discount code. Plus, at the end of this thing, we're going to do a giveaway. Our first ever giveaway, Yazzo.
You're so fancy knowing all this stuff. Look at you, you pro. That's the last compliment you're getting this weekend.
Wow. Blue cheese sauce, I think we should start with. Let's go. Alrighty, olive oil in. Lovely. In we go with some onions. You can also use shallots for this one. One clove of garlic, make it a big one. In with some cooking cream. Going with some cracked pepper in there. A few dashes of Worcester. Lovely. I'll pick some fresh herbs from the garden here, some rosemary and thyme. We're just going to go in with a little bit of that. A little bit of Dijon mustard. Going to go in with a teaspoon of that. Just pop that in. And the star of the show, Yazzo. Some gorgonzola that we have here. We're just going to crumble that into the sauce.
You loved that smell, didn't you?
Make sure your heat's nice and low at this point. We don't want it over thickening too quickly. And if this thickens up on you too quickly, you can just drop a little bit of chicken stock or even a little bit of water into here as well. Now, depending upon the cheese that you use, you may or may not need some salt. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of salt in this one. Again, put that in last just to make sure that you don't oversalt the sauce. And I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder or chicken stock powder just to give it that depth umami-ness. And you just want to simmer that through for about 5 minutes or so. We want the sauce to be nice and thick, pourable kind of consistency, as well as the onions being tender in the sauce. So we've seasoned up our beautiful rump steak from Mudgee Meat with salt, pepper and garlic powder. Time to get outside and get her on the barbecue. All right, let's get this baby on, shall we? So the Kamado's fired up to 275 degrees. You can see that I've got a lower grate here over the coals directly, and I've got a rescue side here. And that's just for if we need to bail out because we're cooking over live fire, and sometimes you can get flare-ups, and that enables you to have a safe zone of which there's no coals underneath there. So let's go down with our lovely rump. And that'll be about 3 or 4 minutes aside. We're just going to go lid up here, and that'll depend on how thick your steak is as to how long you need to cook it for, and obviously how you like it. We're shooting for medium rare to medium today, but you adjust that for you. All right, Yazzo, this has turned out awesome. Let's dive in, shall we? I'm gonna dive in for a little bit more, because why not? I should say, by the way, we paired this with some lovely grilled asparagus, which is...
Oh, look at you.
Divine. I'm getting my greens in, people. After this, I'm gonna need to run 6Ks, but anyway, cheers. Oh, man. You want me?
No, I can't carry everything.
One for Yazzo. One for Yazzo. Oh my gosh. Slopped it on the bench and everything. That's delicious. Please give it a go. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell us what you think. Tell us what sauce you think is better. Episode 54, the greatest steak sauce in the world versus the new greatest steak sauce in the world, potentially. Your discount code is in description. Can't go wrong with paddock raised beef, people. Paddock raised beef, Wagyu rump, absolutely delicious. Delicious. Get yours from Mudgee Meat. And speaking of Mudgee Meat, we have a giveaway. So, a t-shirt to go to anyone, anywhere in the world. I'm going to post this. You need to have subscribed, liked, and commented on this video to be eligible. And yes, I am going to check. And then I'm going to send you a t-shirt. So I'll give you a few days, probably 5 days. We'll do it next... What, Yazzo? We'll do it next Wednesday or Thursday or something. We'll draw one out of a hat. I'll reach out to you individually and we'll send you a Mudgee Meat t-shirt. So thanks for watching, team. We'll see you on the next one.